Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Annie Next. I just got myself a DJI 4K mini drone and this is the unboxing videos. Really won this thing, eh? Finally got it. I'm really proud of myself though, but our videos are about to get lit. We're gonna go different places. Sometimes I want to show you guys like the view of what I see like from above, but I can't do that because I normally create content with my phone, but I finally got the drone, so it's about to go down. Boom! Ski.
Swing your hands and you know you be fine. Dance along and you pick up a vibe.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're about to unbox the DJI Mini 4K drone. I've been wanting this drone for a very long time and I finally got it. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'll go use my hands still. So it's sealed. I don't really know what the color is, but I think it should be silver. So if you've been on this channel, you know how long I've been wanting this. It actually took 2 weeks before I got to Ghana. Let's finally open it. I think there's a seal here to scan. It said QR scan code before first use. So I'll have to scan it before I use it. So I'll have to scan it before I use it first. I think the box is empty. And this is it in the bag with a tag. Tear over. Charlie. This thing here, I'm not loading it, Papa. I think it comes with these ones. These are, I think, the charger, because this is a Type-C charger. And these are all connectors. Are you ready? These are like the fans. Fans. And this is also a fan. Fan. And these are screwdrivers, I'm sure. So this the controller. This is the controller, the DJI controller. I think I'll connect my phone to it. I'll be able to fly for the very first time. And there's also a backup battery. And for the most anticipated. Charlie, I didn't saw. That's it, small. But anyway, we'll manage them till like we grow the channel to get a bigger drone. I think these are all love letters. These are love letters. This one I'll put it behind my laptop because this is a sticker, DJI sticker. And these are love letters. I mean, these are the manual, how you use it. Hey, this is my certification to be a pilot, a drone pilot. So they say as a drone pilot, you are responsible for flying your drone safely. I think so. So let me tell you guys a story. When I was young, I wanted to be a pilot, but I think this is my first plane. I'll be flying this. I think this is also but come think about it. When I was young, I wanted to be a pilot too, but life happened. Now you say I'm not a content creator. But anyway, I think the bag is empty. There's nothing left. This is a beautiful pouch. Keep my DJI in. What should we start with? Controller normal title and also. Yeah, chop papa. All right. It was pretty easy to open. So these are the controllers. I think these are Let me open the drone first too. So this is the drone. Oh, cause I don't know. Yeah, I have to open it. I don't know. Let me put it down first. There's the battery. But I think I'm looking for one thing. Be like one thing or this. I'm looking for this. The you see the control, no, the thing in the hold on, it's not in the box. Bro, I'm dead ass serious. Or is yeah, it's here. Hey Charlie, Okrasini asutuna. Yeah, do you? Hey, share. Obroni baby, what have I said? I said, oh, pouch you. Hey. Yeah, so I'll fix it right now. See where they come hide the thing from. My shushes, we saw my frank count. Yeah, Bibini. Yeah, so I think these are controllers, and so I'm yet to figure out a way to remove this. Oh, so this thing they hold on. Do I have to? So okay, I think these are also. Yay, Chloe. Yes, I know. Bro, the thing is fragile, Papa. Do you know I should have actually watched an unboxing video because already my share video we are from my head. Ah, Charlie. And yeah, easier. Really? Charlie, got senior assets now. Think that how do I fix the battery? So I'm actually trying to figure out how to operate the whole DJI thing. So I just scanned the code and they opened this for me. So I think I'll have to download it on my phone, get a virtual flyer. So I didn't think too much of this video actually. I thought it was going to be like unboxing, but it's like too much stress though. Well, let me figure out a way to fix the battery. Oh, there's already a battery inside it. Oh, so an extra battery. Hey, Charlie. Wait a minute, Papa. But do we put a this the memory card inside? So yeah. So how you go on now? Or we for charger? think I'll wait for charger. Okay, so guys, I'd have to charge it and get back to you guys. So catch me in the next one where I actually fly the drone.
Swing your hands and you know you be fine. Dance along and you pick up a vibe.